Well, here's a 2023 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray 2LT Coupe. Just 15,000 miles, beautiful car, and you know, we specialize in classic Corvettes, but this is going to be one that's going to be a classic someday. But right now you can enjoy the most up-to-date modern Corvette you could ever have in your garage. Arctic white on the exterior, adrenaline red interior, absolutely looks fantastic. Under the hood, 495 horsepower LT2 engine, 8-speed automatic paddle shift transmission. Now, factory features include the $7,300 2LT preferred equipment group. This includes heads-up display, Bose 14-speaker AM/FM XM MP3 stereo, steering wheel controls, navigation, performance data recorder, auto-dimming mirrors, heated and vented seats, heated steering wheel, power heated folding side mirrors with turn indicators, an auto-dimming driver's side blind spot zone alert, rear cross traffic alert, wireless phone charging, dual power seat bolster and lumbar, advanced theft deterrent, universal garage door transmitter, memory package, and it also has a front view camera. This car includes the multi-mode exhaust, GT2 bucket seats, front lift adjustable height with memory as well. It has carbon flash painted wheels with machined edge, looks beautiful, carbon flash full-length dual racing stripe, bright red brake caliper override, two-tone seats, black exhaust tips, dual power seats, remote start, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth package, dry sump oiling. Just an absolutely beautiful car. It has the rear view camera, and of course everything on this car is power. And it does have some dealer installed options, which include high wing spoiler, black ground effects, scrape armor grille, contoured linear protection package. It has all-weather floor liners with Jack logo, carbon flash center caps with cross flags, carbon flash painted outside mirrors, black lug nuts. This car features a one-owner Carfax and comes with some very nice standalone options that are just make this car something very special. Again, this 23 Corvette Stingray shows just 15,446 miles. Nice condition. Car's paint is very good condition. And listen, you want to see detailed photos of this car, check out the pricing. Click the link right below this video. It'll take you to all that information. And then give us a call here at buyavette.net. We'd love to hear from you. One of our experienced sales representatives will talk to you at 770-414-5552. Check out our YouTube channel, subscribe, and hit the notification button when you do, and you see every new car that comes to our showroom floor. Again, we're in buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia, and we make shipping nationwide much less expensive than you might imagine, and we make it something you can do buying online with confidence and with ease. So give us a call, buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. Hope to hear from you really soon.